Okay, so this is another example of an adding and subtracting fractions problem like the one we did in class today. So this is actually from your book, page 104, the bottom, try it 10A. So I should put a 10 in there, it's 10A. So the first thing we need to do is find out if we can find a least common denominator, and here the least common denominator is going to be 9. Remember that this negative 2p is really over 1. So if I can rewrite these all as being some sort of fraction, the denominator of 9, watch out for the sign there. You want to keep the sign negative as well. Then I can think, okay, so what did I multiply the 9 by to get the 9 there? And the 9, of course, I multiplied by 1, so I'm multiplying it by 1. And so the numerator, I do the same thing too. So I do 1 times 8p, which of course is just 8p. For the second fraction, I'm going to look 3. What did I do to 3 to get the 9? Well, I multiplied that 3 times 3, so I do the same thing to the numerator. So now 3 times p gives me 3p. Now looking here, what did I do to the 1? Because that's the denominator there to get the 9. And I multiplied that 1 times 9 to get the 9. So whatever I do to the bottom, I also do to the top. So here I've got negative 2p times 9, which gives us negative 18p. So I can write all of these over one denominator, which is 9. And then I'm going to rewrite all of the terms on the top. 8p plus 3p minus 18p. And I'm going to take a look. Which of these guys have the same terms? Well, here's a p, so I'll give that one underline. And here's another p, so that gets one underline. And hey, that's a p too. So they've all got like terms. So when I put them together, I can combine them all. So with a little bit of scratch work over here, I've got my negatives and my positives. And so it's negative 18 and positive 8 and a positive 3. So that's 11 positives, 18 negatives. It brings me out at negative 7. So that's negative 7p over 9 is the answer to that problem.